Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay guys, so today we are taking down Christmas and we are somewhat decorating, just so it doesn't feel completely bare. But I will be decorating for Valentine's Day this week and I'll be posting that video. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you can see the cutesy Valentine's Day stuff that I'm going to do. I'm super excited for this year and so ready for all the pink to come. But I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and get motivated to maybe take down your Christmas or just to clean your house, because I do a little bit of deep cleaning, especially in my kitchen. But I hope that you guys enjoy.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers.
I like to wrap glass things with towels that I'm already going to be storing away to protect it from breaking.
We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
About the things we used to do. No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call?
Okay, so this is how this corner looks. I feel comfortable with it. I have to add candy, or I don't know, I was thinking maybe fruits, or I don't know. Well, I'm gonna see what I put here, but probably candy or mints or something like that over there. But I like, it just looks cute and prissy. Okay, and then over here, I think all I'm gonna do is put that over there in the corner, and that's it for there. Maybe put a plug in over here just to put a little light there, and that's it for this corner.
So many years gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air.
I have to get a dish towel that can go here. I think I have one, so let me go look. I have this little striped gold one. I'm gonna just go ahead and put that on here.
didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is in.